Hello everyone, are you constantly battling with low storage space on your Windows 11 PC? Don't worry, I've got the perfect solution for you. Windows 11 comes with a fantastic built-in feature known as Storage Sense, designed to automatically clean up your drive and free up valuable space without you having to lift a finger. So, what exactly is Storage Sense? Think of it as your PC's personal organizer. It's a nifty tool that takes the hassle out of managing your storage space by automatically getting rid of unnecessary files, including those pesky temporary files, forgotten items in your recycle bin, and even those old downloads that you've long forgotten about. Getting started with Storage Sense is a breeze. Just open your Windows 11 settings, navigate to the System section, click on Storage, and you'll find a detailed breakdown of your storage usage. Look for the Storage Sense option and simply toggle it on. But wait, there's more. Storage Sense is not just a one-size-fits-all feature. You can customize it to suit your preferences by deciding how often it should run. Whether you want it to kick in automatically when your disk space is running low or prefer to schedule it to run daily, weekly, or monthly, the choice is entirely up to you. So there you have it. With Storage Sense on your side, you can say goodbye to storage space issues on your Windows 11 PC for good. It's a simple yet powerful tool that streamlines the management of your storage space, ensuring it stays clutter-free and optimized. The next time you find yourself running low on space, remember to give Storage Sense a try and let it work its magic. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.